Multiline F-string in Python. I'm trying to write PEP 8 compliant code for a domestic project and I have a line with an F-string that is more than 80 characters long. I'm trying to split it into different lines in the most Pythonic way, but the only answer that actually works is an error for my linter. Working code. Output. The linter thinks that I'm not respecting E122 from PEP 8. Is there a way to get the string right and the code compliant?
From Style Guide for Python Code. The preferred way of wrapping long lines is by using Python's implied line continuation inside parentheses, brackets and braces. Given this, the following would solve your problem in a PEP 8 compliant way. Python strings will automatically concatenate when not separated by a comma, so you do not need to explicitly call join.
I think it would be.
You can use either triple single quotation marks or triple double quotation marks, but put an F at the beginning of the string. Triple single quotes. Triple double quotes. Notice that you don't need to use \n because you are using a multiple line string.
As mentioned by @Noddy, the approach also works for variable assignment expression. Should give you.
You can mix the multi-line quoting styles and regular strings and F-strings. Prints this, note the indentation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.